This is the CNC machine I built. I got a lot of the ideas initially from Absorber of Light on YouTube, and you can see that I used the skateboard wheels that he used in his design. Also down in here I've got a rollerblade wheel to keep pressure here, and underneath this table I've got skateboard bearings bracing the gantry across this member here. I used a double gantry with a lot of skateboard bearings and bolts so that it has grip on that top rail from all the different angles. It slides pretty smooth. These are Acme screws. They're kind of expensive, but the threads are machined, so it works really well. For the Z-axis, I used a threaded rod. This is my tool holder. I had this set up so that I can fit my plasma torch or a trim router. And I can take this plate off and put a different plate on if I wanted to do another tool. I have a little bit of wire management. Took a few weeks to put together. I control it using Estlcam. I bought this program. I'm pretty pleased with it. It allows for some drawing functionality. I can import a lot of different types of files and run them directly from the control interface. This is the control unit I built out of an old computer. I mostly only use the chassis, but you can see that I've got the Arduino back here, and I've got 3 of the 6560 drivers. I've got a power supply here. I use the breakout boards for power distribution there and grounding, and then I bring my shielded wire for the axis controls into the box here. I did keep the power supply in here in case I needed it for some future expansion, like a second Arduino for torch height control or something like that. I put a kill switch here in case I start running amok so that I can switch it off, and I installed a fan for those hot days just in case I need to have additional circulating air. And that's really just a high-level overview of the machine. I'll post some more videos about the plasma once I get it configured.